A major maritime incident has sparked international attention after Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard troops claimed responsibility for a strike on a cargo vessel near Iraq's coast. The vessel involved was identified as the Panama flagged MSC Shadiska V. The ship was sailing near Iraq's main port of Qasr when a powerful explosion occurred on Monday. According to the United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operations, the incident took place around 40 nautical miles or 74 kilometers southeast of Qasr. The organization reported that the vessel suffered damage on its starboard side before a large explosion followed. Despite the blast, all crew members remained safe. No injuries were reported. The vessel also remained operational and was able to continue its voyage under its own power. The UKMTO confirmed that local authorities had launched an investigation. The agency added that there were no signs of environmental damage following the incident. The reports from Iraqi media said the explosion occurred within Iraqi territorial waters near buoy number 5. The blast reportedly happened shortly after cargo operations had been completed at Qasr port. Iranian state media later reported that the IRGC had carried out a missile strike against the vessel. According to these reports, the group described MSC Shadiska V as a ship linked to the United States. Iranian outlets claimed that a cruise missile was used in the operation. The IRGC said the strike was a retaliatory action. Iranian reports stated that the operation was carried out in response to an earlier attack on an Iranian vessel known as Leon Star in the Oman Sea. The group also claimed that the targeted ship had connections to both the United States and Israel. However, no independent evidence supporting these claims has been publicly presented. Early findings from investigators have raised questions about the IRGC's account of the incident. The security source cited by Iraqi media said preliminary examination found no clear signs of an external strike. Investigators reportedly did not find evidence that the vessel had been hit by a missile or any other outside object. Instead, early assessments suggested that the explosion may have been caused by an internal mechanical failure. Officials stressed that the investigation remains ongoing and no final conclusion has been reached. The damage appears to have been limited to the vessel itself. Authorities have not reported any injuries among the crew or any threat to nearby shipping routes. Meanwhile, the UKMTO has focused on confirmed facts rather than claims about the cause. The agency's statements have highlighted the location of the explosion, the condition of the vessel, and the safety of those on board. As investigators continue their work, uncertainty remains over what exactly caused the blast. Authorities are now examining all available evidence to determine whether the incident was the result of an attack or an onboard malfunction. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.